I traveled 22 times in 2 years. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about everything you need to travel.
We're actually going to St. Louis. It's going to be so epic. We do this every single year with the company that I partnered up with. This year is going to be Tony Robbins.
Disclaimer, I am not a light traveler. Get ready for everything I'm going to be sharing with you. The very first thing I'm going to talk to you about is my essentials that regards food. I am absolutely not going to be hangry. A kettle for hot water. I'm going to be taking my Starbucks emergency coffee just in case. We're going to be using this for emergency oatmeal just in case we cannot find any breakfast in the morning. This kettle is 100% non-negotiable. Also very compact, as you can see. Next food item, which is a blender. I'm going to show you two that I've traveled with. This one is a blend jet, very compact too. It's very easy to open and close and clean and all of the things. You charge it with a USB cord. It comes with it. Super simple. My husband's require more ice, more frozen fruit, or if I'm traveling with my daughter, we use this one. This one is a connection and it's pretty sturdy. This one was only $27. Moving on, I am going to be taking an empty water bottle. We'll be taking my energy sticks because I am going to a convention and I'm going to get sleepy no matter what at 2 o'clock or so, and I'm going to need to stay up. But guess what happens? At nighttime, I don't get sleepy because I'm with the girls. We're laughing. So what we're going to do is take my sleep drops. They're just going to help me relax. Okay. Enough with the food things. Actually, how are you supposed to clean your blender? Well, in the past, I had to wash it with shampoo, and that's just not going to happen. I have a little travel baggie. Okay, let's move on to business creator, entrepreneur essentials. I am taking my tripods. This tripod right here, I'm actually on it right now. It's super tall. Recently, I found this. This is going to be for my camera. It's pretty small. Another thing that I found helpful, especially when I travel with roommates or my husband, I need one of these. I've seen a few of them that come with just USB cords. I'm going to be taking a whole bunch of chargers because your girl's going to be on her phone all day recording. Let me know in the chat if this is helpful for you, my AirPods. But I also take my little 1900s headphones. If something happens and it doesn't charge, you just never know. I like to keep everything organized. What I'm going to do is I try to keep everything in a bag. I already know that my electronic things are in this specific bag, and I have a whole bunch. They're super affordable. You can get them in Amazon. I'll be having the links if you need them. You can just go to TJ Maxx. You can put it in like a little plastic Ziploc. Just organize your things by bags. Don't just throw it all in one bag. It's going to be a nightmare. My travel pillow, but I'm also taking my own pillowcase. I will be taking these for the airplane. Just like little things. I'm not going to go in and disinfect everything, but I'm definitely going to be taking this. Okay, let's talk about packing. This is something new that I'm going to try. So I am going to be overpacking this specific trip because it is a convention and I want outfit options. 2 outfits a day for 4 days. It's going to be content galore. So what happens is that I pack very neatly on my way there. And then at the end, I'm like, what do I do? I'm going to be taking this. If you've ever seen this, I'm pretty sure you've seen it on TikTok. You put your clothes in and then you suction the air out. For the most part, it's not the weight, it's the volume that's too bulky. This is gonna be something new. I am gonna be taking my laptop or iPad, my daily passion planner. I can just organize my thoughts, take my notes. We're gonna see Tony Robbins. So I'm gonna need to be pen to paper. You guys know I'm gonna be taking my minis, my mini hair care, skincare. I'm not a beauty influencer, but take care of your image and not skimp on yourself. I'm going to St. Louis. I live in California, so I need my hair products because your girl's frizzy. I need my skincare products. Simple tips for you when you travel as an entrepreneur or as a content creator. Take that content. You are ready to take the video, or if you get an idea, bring out your notebook so you could just be ready. If you're inspired, we want to be in the moment, especially when you're traveling. You want people to get to know you and your business, and how is it that you help people? How is it that you impact people's life? How do you think reality TV shows do so well? Because they love the beginning, the middle, which is all the fun, the conference, the hype, and then the end. Another thing, content ideas. What type of videos am I gonna do? What transitions am I gonna do? On business trips, I don't underpack. I want to take pictures and videos, and I'm gonna be seeing my friends from other states and all the content. This is a very light way of me showing you what I'm going to be packing. I will be showing you all of your airport essentials the day of, so you don't get hungry, grumpy, and you don't freaking go bankrupt buying airport food. I'll see you in the next video.